Hey guys, it's Janie at the League-Kempner House. This is just a quick video to let you know there's no video this week. It has been a busy few weeks. I do have some footage, just no time to put it together, and I thought I might do some yesterday, but it was just a nightmare day. We had one of those flash floods here in Galveston, which was a good chance to check our drainage system. It worked like a champ. Everything worked according to plan, except for the fact it's still not enough volume. If it had rained another 5 minutes, we would have been flooded in the basement again. And I'll show you that in our next video and what's going on and what the next step of the plan is going to be. It did give me a chance to get out here and look and see what was functioning, where water was running, and what we have to do. But just as an example, I'll show you, if I don't know if you can see it on the video, but this side yard over here slopes pretty dramatically to our drain, and that slope continues all the way over to the bamboo. So all of this side yard, the inside of the garage, and almost half of the back quadrant of the yard over here flows down towards the house and comes to our drain. So that's a huge amount of water, so we can't really increase capacity here. So we need to finish our yard work and get all of this sloped away from the house and towards the front. So we do kind of have a plan of action in place. The good news is it was torrential. It didn't come in, so we're close, but close is not good enough, and it left quite the muddy mess. So it will take a while for everything to dry out and for us to be able to work in here again. It was too wet to move our concrete and pick up our trash, and we had that great work day with the Aggies and all our volunteers, and right now we look a little worse for the wear, but we're close to getting it cleaned up again, and we will get back at it as quick as we can. We did have a great event last night. We had a seance. It was sold out, and we had people wanting to be on a waiting list to come, so we're looking at doing another one in a month. And Joe did do a live, so that's out there, so go check that out. But again, sorry, it's just one of those weeks that video wasn't going to happen, but I wanted to let everybody know what's going on and tell you we will be back again as we get all this mess cleared out and get ready for our next event. And just a sneak peek, look, we've started on the greenhouse. So we are moving along with that. We've ordered our lumber, some of our lumber. We've got the steel pipe to put the supports back in, and we'll be picking up with that restoration. So you guys have a good week, and we will see you back next week here at the League-Kempner House in Galveston.